Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix GPU configuration warning in Davinci Resolve. So what you can do is basically go into Davinci Resolve, and here if you click on this Davinci Resolve, go to the preferences, and here you will find memory and GPU. So what you want to do is right here, deselect all these check marks and click save. After that, what you want to do is go to the Windows search and type check for updates. And right here, check for any updates that Windows has. And if it is already updated, make sure to restart your Davinci Resolve and it should work. So as you can see, you will need to wait a bit. But after that, you can see that I have an update and I need to restart now. So that's for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything and we see you in the next one. Peace.